Here we go, it's all about you, it's all about me, it's all about what we do. Making art, you and me, trying to find something to believe. Because I'm running wild, I ain't running free. Still got a lot of shit left to see. I'm stuck in this town, and the town's stuck in me.
Hey everyone, it's Ruby here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Now for today's video, I wanted to have like a little bit of a sit down, a little bit of a chat to you guys about some of my favorite skincare enhancing tools or devices that have literally elevated my skincare game. Like, my skin did not look like this prior to introducing these tools in my skincare regime. And I was that person that was like, I have fingers, excuse me, like why do I need to spend upwards of $200 on a tool that allegedly helps my skincare absorb quicker and better and whatever? I certainly ate my words very, very, very quickly, and I have been obsessed with beauty tools ever since, and I have been accumulating them very quickly, which is why I'm making this video and why I'm so like excited about making this video. Anything skincare, you guys, I'm just like, do we all like the mug? I have 2 dogs. I am their peasant servant. They do whatever they want around the house. And John got me this cup because there's dog hair everywhere. Okay, so these 2 products are what prompted my beauty tool addiction, if you will. This is the Angela Kalia Rose Quartz Facial Roller and the Angela Kalia Rose Quartz Eye Treatment Set. I like to keep both tools in the box that they came in. I just feel like it is, first of all, such a beautiful box, such beautiful packaging, but I want to make sure that my tools are kept in like a dust-free, hygienic way. So I keep both of these boxes in my bedside table drawer so that I can use them when I'm applying my skincare in bed. They boost circulation, they stimulate your skin's turnover, and they also help to boost your skin's elasticity. I mean, both of these tools work brilliantly at depuffing your face and under eye area. And my little tip is you should pop them in the fridge 15 minutes before you want to use them for a maximum cooling, depuffing effect in little to no time. This eye treatment set also has some pretty badass like health benefits as well. I suffer from tension headaches, jaw pain, and also a really sore neck. I had an accident in gymnastics when I was younger, so that's why I have the issues that I have right now. I like to use these to massage my temples to get rid of any little knots that I have around this area. I also flip them over and use like the smaller knobs to massage the muscles around my jaw because I do get a lot of jaw pain, especially at night. So this works really, really well at releasing the tight muscles. And what I also love about these is you can use them on your neck if you do have a sore neck, or you just want to help, your lymphatic system drain all that fluid really quickly from your eye area downwards. Then this is a great way to just draw everything down and out of your face like so. It also feels really, really nice on tight muscles as well. I love her so, so much, and I cannot wait for you to try her as well. Every single time I go and use this device to pick up and work my skincare into my skin, it helps me use so much less product. Eye creams, serum, facial oils, and moisturizers, and it helps your creams and serums and oils penetrate deeper. About 30% deeper to be exact. The way that this product works is it uses a process of micro vibrations to increase absorption. This has a transdermal delivery system, meaning that your skincare is going to be carried across your skin for a consistent distribution along like your cheeks, your under eye area, your lips, your forehead, and anywhere else you have, skincare concerns. This is super lightweight and easy to use, and if you do travel regularly, it is perfect for on the go. So this right here was my first Foreo device, and this one is what started, I guess, my love for the brand. I didn't know at the time when I purchased it that like the different colors meant that it was designed and created for different skin types. So I have the one for normal skin. At the time, like I really liked baby pink, so I got this one. Just keep in mind that the colors mean that they are, you know, designed and created for either oily skin, dry skin, normal skin, or sensitive skin. So I just wanted to remind you of that so you won't make the same mistake that I did. I've gotten on so well with this one that I actually purchased a few other ones that are travel friendly. Let me tell you, there was a time where this naive woman right here used to think that just, you know, my fingers and cleanser alone would give me like really clean, squeaky, vibrant, really clean skin. I was so wrong. So wrong. The way that this device works is that you dampen your skin, you take your favorite cleanser, and you use this in place of your fingers to give your skin a deeper clean. This gives you 8,000 transdermal pulsations per minute, making your cleanser work so much better at cleansing your skin. This is super gentle on your skin, and I use this every single day in the shower. This device has a few settings which you can use to look after your skin, including an anti-aging mode, which you flip your device over and use this groove side to look after some of your problem areas like your crow's feet, your frown lines, laugh lines, and it's just like a really nice, relaxing experience. I remember the first time I used this device, John knocked on the shower door and was like, "Do you need help in there?" All of the Foreo devices have a medical grade silicone outer coating. And this is great because it stops the amount of bacteria growing on your face brush. I guess we can call it that. So it's really hygienic to use on a daily basis. But my tip is like every once in a while, just like wipe it down with some rubbing alcohol or use like a facial cleanser, like the one that you use on a daily basis, just to give it like a really good thorough clean, ridding it of any makeup, any eyeliner stains, foundation stains, and stuff like that. Okay, so I kind of have another Foreo device here. This is the Foreo Iris Eye Massager. A very obscure looking thing, I know, but I really like it. Like I mentioned, it's a very weird, like obscure device. It has a slight curve to it, so it could comfortably fit the contours of your eye whilst you are using it, and it's just a really, really nice device. And I think if you were to try it, you will really, really love it. Okay, so I personally have drainage issues underneath my eyes, and you can probably see that on certain days where I'm filming and my under eye area looks really, really puffy, but it's not draining. This really does help to move, you know, stubborn lymphatic fluid that's not really going anywhere, that's just built up underneath your eyes and on your cheek area. Very, very gentle. It has different modes that you can use depending on what kind of treatment you are after. Again, this is made out of like super soft and smooth medical grade silicone that limits the amount of bacteria buildup on your device. Just like the Foreo Luna, this has a rechargeable battery. It comes with a USB cord so you can charge it in your laptop while you're on the go, and it also has like a super cute soft like carry pouch so you can keep your device clean. And just like the Kat Berkay micro wand, this device right here improves the absorption and efficacy of your skincare products. So this next device that I'm about to showcase It was the first of its kind here in Australia, and it was the very first device that I purchased, specifically engineered and created for acne-prone skin type. Like, I did a video over a year ago with Neutrogena promoting this mask, and I am still using it to this very day. One thing that I have to say and really just want to put out there, I have worked with a lot of skincare brands, and it's not easy to get approval to say that your product treats acne. But this mask does. It's great for those who suffer with mild to moderate acne. Yes, it is 100% UV free. And yes, it does look like a welder's mask. So the blue light in this mask helps to target the bacteria that causes acne, whilst the red light helps to reduce that inflammation. Okay, so I have decided to leave the priciest device to last, and that was because out of all of the devices in this lineup, I was very, very intrigued about this one because it looks like a professional salon product, but without the clunky machinery and the wires attached to it, if you know what I mean. So when I saw the price point, first of all, I was like, what? But this particular device is, it has been created to treat a larger surface area. So it's great for the cheeks, it's great for the neck, it's great for the forehead. It actually comes with like a primer or a mask that you use on your skin, and then you use the device over top to kind of just glide over the surface of your skin. Like, I would very much consider this a facial toning device, and the NuFace Mini is actually like the little sister version of the original, which is the NuFace Trinity. So this particular device stimulates the skin using microcurrents, and you just want to apply a very light pressure to this product when gliding it over your skin. Once you have finished using the device, just massage the remaining gel into the skin. You can bring it down onto your neck and onto your chest area as well, so you don't have to waste any of the product by wiping it off. Definitely bring it down onto your shoulders and on your arms. It's like a really, really nice formula as well, which I'm pretty sure you will love. And that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you all on my social media accounts. I have Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and I look forward to seeing you guys on there. And I'll also see you in a brand new video next week. I love you guys. Bye.